the ingredients for the peanut butter cookies are we need 190 grams of butter and 125 grams of brown sugar, 75 grams of icing sugar or caster sugar, 120 grams of peanut butter, 250 grams of maida, 3 grams of soda, 3 tablespoons of milk, some sesame seeds also. So we have the regular ghee or the butter, and we have the peanut butter. In that we go on adding all the ingredients. First we add the caster sugar and the brown sugar. Everything together. If you have the Philips hand blender, you can do it with that also. If you don't have it, you can do it with the spatula, or you can do it with the hand also. The peanut butter is very healthy because it's got no animal fat in it, and it's supposed to be a vegan recipe. If you don't use ghee in it, you can use oil instead of the ghee. And the plant-based all the recipes are very, very healthy. After mixing the sugar and the butter properly, we add inside it the flour. Slowly we go on adding the flour, and we add the milk. You need to add the flour in batches, don't add it all together. After adding the flour, we just go on adding the milk little by little, and we make out of it a dough. You have to make a semi-stiff dough. Don't handle it too much because the butter will come out of the cookies. If you want, you can make it more healthy by adding some sesame seeds also to this. Yeah, the requirement of the milk or the water will depend till you get a proper dough. You have to make a proper dough like you make a roti ka atta, and then you have to roll it and refrigerate it for some time. We need to keep this in the fridge for some time so that it chills. After removing the cookie batter from the fridge, you just need to cut it with the knife and get even sized cookies. You can make small or big ones according to your choice. Now we just roll the cookies in little bit of sesame, because sesame is very healthy, and since peanut butter cookies we are making it because they are very healthy, so we put some sesame seeds also on it. You just roll them in some sesame seeds. The seeds will stick on its own, and it will even make the cookies much more crisper. So the cookies are ready now to go into the oven. We will just put them into the fridge for another 5 minutes so that they become a little more stiffer. Now we are putting our peanut butter cookies to bake. As you can see, we will just take hardly 15 to 20 minutes to bake it. We are putting it at the oven preheated the oven at 160 degrees. You can go up till 160 to 180. It depends on your oven. We have to keep some space in between so that they don't stick to each other. We are just putting the cookies inside the oven to bake. It will take 15 to 20 minutes. Now you can see our peanut butter and sesame cookies are ready. They are lightly browned. Just leave them in the oven for 5-10 minutes and they will be done. Off the oven and keep it. We can keep one outside for checking. We will just break the cookie and check if it is done. As you can see, it is all crisp and porous from inside, so it is done.